Hello everyone, welcome to Babysitter reflection video, and this week we are going to talk about chapter 16 and 17. So first, I'm going to talk about personal selling. Personal selling is the interpersonal part of promotional mix and can include face-to-face communication, telephone communication, video or web conferencing. Personal selling involves marketing specifically by one sale rep to one individual at a time. Companies spend the most on this type of marketing. And the term persons cover wide range of positions. At one extreme, people are an effective link between the company and its customer to produce customer value and company profit by representing the company to customer, representing customer to company, working closely with marketing. Major step in sales management. Sales management is the analysis, planning, implementation, and control of sales force activity. High sales force costs necessitate an effective sales management processes consisting of 6 steps. First is designing sales force strategies and structure. Next, recruiting and selecting salespeople. Third, training salespeople. Next, compensating salespeople. Then supervising salespeople. And finally, evaluating salespeople. In the first step, designing sales force strategies and structure, we have tutorial sales force structure, product sales force structure, customer sales force structure, and with tutorial sales force structure, each salesperson is assigned an exclusive geographic area and sell the company phone line products and services to own customer in that territory. This can perform salesperson's job, fix accountability, lower sales expand, and also improve relationship of building and selling effectiveness. With product sales force structure, as a person sell along product lines, this can improve product knowledge, can lead to territory conflicts. And with customer sales force structure, as a person sell along customer or industrial lines, this can improve relationship. So people must be recruited and selected carefully. In recruiting salespeople, a company may look to the job duties and characteristics of its most successfully salespeople to suggest the trait is one in new salespeople. Careful selection and training increase sales performance, and poor selection increase recruiting and training costs, lead to low sales, disrupts customer relationship. After selection process is complete, training programs is familiarized with salespeople not only with the act of selling, but also with company history, its products, policies, and characteristics, the customer and competitors. And to attract those people, a company must have appealing compensation plans. Compensation consists of 4 elements: a fixed amount, a variable amount, expenses, and fringe benefit. The fixed amount, usually a salary, gives the salesperson some stable income. The variable amount, which might be commission or bonus based on some performance, rewards the person for greater efforts and success. And in addition to compensation, on salespeople need supervisions and many need continuous encouragement because must make many decisions and face many frustrations. The goal of supervisions is to have the people work smart by doing the right things in the right ways. And the goals of motivations is to encourage the people to work hard and energetically towards their force goals. Besides that, self moral and performance can be increased through our first organizational claim, self-worth test, and positive incentive. Periodically, the company must evaluate their performance to help them do a better job in evaluating people. The company relies on information gathered from sales reports, company report, and expand report with other sales people.
I'd like to talk about the selling of the process of the chapter 16 of the principle of the marketing. So now I will introduce to you the definition of the selling process. The steps that salespeople follow when selling include prospecting and qualifying, pre-approach, presentation and demonstration, handling objections, closing and following up. So I will show you about the steps in the selling process. Firstly, you can see that the the prospecting and qualifying. Prospecting, the sales that in which a salesperson of the company identify the qualified potential customers. Qualified list, that is how to identify the good ones and screen out the poor ones. Prospects can be qualified by looking at their financial ability, volume of business, special needs, location, and possibility for growth. With the step 2 pre-approach, the sales step in which a salesperson learns as much as possible about a prospective customer before making a sale call. Step 3 approach. Approach the sales steps in which a salesperson meets the customer for the first time presentation. The next one is the presentation. The sales step in which a salesperson tells the value story to the buyer, showing how the company's offer solve the customer problems. Good interpersonal communication skills count when it comes to the engaging customers and making effective sales presentation. Step 5 handling objection. The sales step in which a salesperson sits out, clarify and overcome any customer's objection to pricing. And step 6 closing, the sales step in which a salesperson asks the customer for an order. Step 7 follow up, the sales step in which a salesperson follows after the step 2. So that's all of the 7 steps of the selling process. So the next one, either personal selling and managing customer relationships. More companies want to their sales be proactive value selling, demonstrating and delivering superior customer value and capturing a return on that value that's fair for both the customer and the company. So the basic idea of the value selling is simply and easy to understand. Let's check an example. You pay $18 for a new gadget. That's that you 10 minutes when you call by Apple and you are calling 100 apples a quick. That's 100 minutes of the time saving or 16.6 hours of the work. At your hourly rate, $25 per hour, that's the $116 or extra money in your pocket every quiz on from this $15 gadgets. So the next one is the value selling. Require the listening to customer, understanding their needs, and carefully coordinating the core company effort to create lasting relationships based on customer value.
Moving on to the sale promotions, company use it to make customer wanting to buy their product now, like pizza chains like Pizza Hut, Pizza Company. They usually have buy one get one free every day. That is a way of them to promote their product on sale 50%, and that will help them to persuade the customer to buy the pizza more. There are 3 types of tools for sales promotion. First is the consumer promotions. This urge the short-term sales and boost customer engagement. And it also increase connection with loyal customer relationship, because the more you sell, the loyal customer will buy it more and they will stay with the brand longer. We can see that there are many types of consumer promotions. Here we can see price package is commonly seen in fast food chains, or maybe you can see it in the supermarket. They sell it in a combo, and there are many products in one combo, and so you will value this more rather than buying individual product. Next we have samples. Here is like an example of food samples. This is the most effective way to promote it, but also most expensive, because they will have to use their own product to promote itself. But if there is also a way for them to promote it most realistic way. And we have next is coupon. It's not very common here in Vietnam, but in the Western, they will use coupon to buy the product that they have sales on it. Another tool that is the point of purchase (POP). It's the display and demonstration that take place at the point of sale. When you go shopping, you tend to buy the product that are the most displayed on the shelf, and this is exactly why manufacturers like to give promote to their retailer or wholesaler. to promote to display their product on the shelf more than the other brands. Another tool is event marketing. This is creating a brand marketing event or serving as a show or participating in the sponsor of event created by others. Here we can see Rolex. They've been sponsoring for F1 races for a long time, and when you see F1 racing, you will see the picture of the Rolex in the list of brands that sponsor it. They also contest promotion, where brands have competition for customers to participate and get prizes. It depends on the rules of the competition, that maybe it can depend on luck or it's gonna be the effort of the customer. Another tool that we have is trade promotion. Manufacturers direct more sales promotion toward retailers and wholesalers more than the final customer. There's three aspects in trade promotion. That is, manufacturer persuade retailers to carry the brand, give them more sales space so the customer will buy it more, as I mentioned before. They will use promotion tools such as the same as the one retailer use on customer, like contest, price, package, or premium. That is good product as a cheap price. And the last one is free goods. When retailer buy a certain quantity, like when a retailer or wholesaler buy 10 carton of paper, the manufacturers will give them one for free. This will make them to buy more. Next is business promotions. It's used to generate business leads, stimulate purchases, reward customer, and motivate sales people. This can take as the conventions. Here we have Honda in a Vietnam motorbike convention. This is to show Honda product to the retailer and as well as to promote their new product to the customer. After choosing the tools for it, we're gonna move to the developing sales promotion program. The first we need to consider is the size of the incentive. If we want it to be a big promotion or a small promotion. And then we're gonna need to know who we the condition for the participant. Who are we targeting? The final customer or the retailer or wholesaler? And how we're gonna promote our promotion? Is it gonna be mail, through phone, through flyers, or direct call to the retailer? Next one is the length of promotion. This is pretty important because if it's too short, few people we're gonna connect and we cannot have a good sale. Or if it's too long, people will get dual to it and they're not gonna care about it. And final is evaluation. Is very important because marketers should work to measure the return on sale on their promotion, and just as they should seek to access the return on other marketing activities. And next is the marketing, the internet, and the digital age.
Moving forward to chapter 17, now I'm going to talk about direct and digital marketing. So this involves engaging directly with carefully targeted individual consumer and customer community to both obtain an immediate response and build lasting customer relationship. So companies use direct marketing to tailor their offer and content to the need and interest of narrowly defined segment or individual buyers to build direct customer engagement, brand communities, and sell. So for example, Vasa.com, they interact directly with customer via its websites or mobile app to help them discover and buy like almost any books and stationery online. In today's world, by the surge in the internet usage and buying in rapid advance in digital technology, from smartphone, tablet, or the digital device to the space of online social and mobile media, direct marketing has undergone a dramatic transformation.
Direct and digital marketing also have become the fastest growing form of marketing. So for example, a company that successfully in using direct and digital marketing is Mint. They had an awesome digital marketing strategy that made them one of the best financial management service. So they start working mostly on content creations, conducting targeted campaign, and gain interest from the audience. And the team create great infographics that are packed with well-designed and compelling information, and they focus on creating a unique personal finance blog, was full of engaging content and spoke to a young professional crowd. Thus, the blog became popular in personal finance and drove traffic to the app. And Mint then started using Facebook and Twitter in a very effective way. They had discussion with the customer, held giveaways, and promote their page. And Mint is now more than just a product. It's a place for talking about finance and telling trade story and sharing advice. The benefit that this will bring is, first, for buyer, direct and digital marketing are convenient, easy to use, and private. So they give buyer anywhere, anytime access to almost unlimited assortment of products and buying information. Direct marketing is also immediate and interactive, allowing buyers to create exactly the configurations of information, products, or service they desire, and then order them on the spot. And finally, for a consumer who wants it, digital marketing through online, mobile, and social media provides a sense of brand engagement in communities, a place to share brand information and experience with other brand fans. And for the seller, direct and digital marketing are powerful tools for building customer engagement and close, personalized, interactive customer relationship. And they also offer great flexibility, letting marketer make ongoing adjustment to price and program, or make immediate, timely, and personal announcement and offer. Moving on, the main form of direct and digital marketing include traditional direct marketing tool and new digital marketing tool. So traditional direct approaches are face-to-face personal selling, direct mail marketing, catalog marketing, telemarketing, DRTV marketing, and kiosk marketing. These traditional tools are still heavily used and very important in most firm direct marketing efforts. But in the recent year, however, a dazzling new set of digital marketing tools have burst onto the marketing scene and include online marketing, website, online ads and promotion, emails, online videos and blog, social media marketing, and mobile marketing.
We are now living in the digitalized age with the invention of the Internet, which affects marketing activities. In fact, the Internet of Things and the digital age bring three changes. First, it connects people digitally at almost any time and from almost everywhere. Secondly, it changed customers' notions of convenience, speed, price, product information, service, and brand interactions. And lastly, marketers have to create customer value, engage customers, and build customer relationships in a whole new way. Some companies even operate only online, such as e-tailers like Amazon or Overstock, search engines and portals like Google and Bing, transaction sites like PayPal and eBay, content sites like Britannica, the New York Times, and many other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. Aside from those online-based companies, other brands also catch up with digitalization by omni-channel retailing, a new form of operation creating seamless buying experience that integrates in-store, online, and mobile shopping. To promote this model, companies apply direct digital and social media marketing, which can divide into three main forms: online marketing, social media marketing, and mobile marketing. So, the first form, online marketing, can be covered by websites and brand communities, and these websites must be very visually appealing and easy to navigate. It may also be covered by online advertisements, which are display ads, rich media ads, or search-related ads. And the next method is email marketing. The email marketing means sending highly targeted messages via email, and people can reach it um, fastly, but there are also disadvantages. The mail we send might be sent into the spam inbox instead of unread messages, and therefore it cannot reach the target customers. The next method is online video, it means creating viral and attractive online videos. And the last method is promoting through blogs and other online forums. This might offer a fresh, original, personal, and cheap way to enter into consumer online and social media conversations. However, it might be kind of cluttered and it's difficult to control. The second form is social media marketing. Companies can use assisted platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or from their own platforms. The benefits of social media marketing includes targeted and being targeted and personal. It's interactive, it is immediately and timely, it's cost effective, and it's engaged social sharing capabilities. However, it's kind of hard to control because users mostly control what they want to see, and marketers is still finding a way to measure the effectiveness of social media campaign. And finally, mobile marketing, or sending marketing messages, promotions, and content to consumers via their mobile devices. Companies might want to create their own mobile online sites or app optimized for phones to engage customers and help them shop. An example for a company that has successfully applied mobile marketing is the famous food chain Taco Bell. By carefully targeted mobile advertising, Taco Bell reached its targeted customers, the people who just starting their day. The app then offers breakfast recipes and map navigation to provide navigations to nearby stores, and this helped Taco Bell customers to be engaged.
Now, we will focus on traditional marketing forms because even though digital marketing is booming, traditional marketing tools are still heavily used today. We'll discuss 5 forms of traditional marketing, as you can see on the screen. First, we have direct mail marketing, which refers to marketing that occurs by sending an offer, announcement, reminder, or other item directly to a person at a particular address. It is especially suited for one-to-one communication and engenders many benefits like high target market selectivity. It is customizable, flexible, and easy to measure in terms of results. Direct mail reaches people more effectively than digital marketing can because it provides tangibility. For instance, many companies use direct mail marketing to send samples, catalogs, coupons, and etc. This way, customers are engaged with whatever the company wants to sell and form a connection with it. Conversely, other digital forms are easily ignored, filtered, or trashed. For example, members of Vinmart often receive catalogs at their address and get to see what kind of offers they can get. Next, we have catalog marketing, which is direct marketing through print, video, or digital catalogs that are mailed to select customers, made available in stores, or presented online. Digital catalogs, for instance, are incredibly convenient for customers. They are fundamental for online-only catalogers, but print-only catalogers also have web-based catalogs and mobile catalog shopping apps in their marketing mixes. There are other benefits like the fact that they eliminate printing and mailing costs, or that they allow real-time merchandising because products and features can be added or removed as needed. Prices can also be adjusted instantly to match demand. They also offer an almost unlimited amount of merchandise that is portable, convenient, and interactive. Obviously, printed catalogs are still thriving and companies still use them because they are one of the best ways to drive immediate sales both online and on mobile. Paper catalogs also create emotional connections with customers because turning actual pages is engaging. For example, many companies and retailers use online and printed catalogs to engage customers. As you can see, Decathlon uses both. They have a printed seasonal catalog that they send to their members via mail, and they also have an app that allows customers to browse through the products they are seeking, whether they are in the store or not. Next, we have telemarketing, which involves using the telephone to sell directly to customers. We have inbound consumer telemarketing and outbound business to business marketing. For inbound consumer telemarketing, toll-free numbers are offered to receive orders from TV and print ads, direct mail, or catalogs. In a TV ad, for example, you would see a number to call directly to buy the product advertised. Outbound business to business marketing sells directly to consumers and businesses by reaching out directly. Both forms of telemarketing are highly convenient and increase product and service information. Direct response television marketing is direct marketing via television and includes direct response television advertising, also called infomercials, as well as interactive television advertising. For direct response television advertising, direct marketers air television spots for about 1 to 2 minutes and attempt to persuasively describe a product, which ends with giving customers a toll-free number or an online site for ordering. This also includes infomercials, which are 30 minutes long advertising programs for those truly interested. Interactive TV advertising implies TV advertising that lets customers interact with television programming and advertising. Smart TV brands, in fact, collaborate with other brands to include a function that allows customers to get information on the product advertised and also buy directly. Both these advertising forms, if successful, can rig up big sales. Finally, we have kiosk marketing, which is essentially marketing through information and ordering machines in public spaces like malls, airports, and etc. To attract more customers, we see more and more technological advancements in smart kiosks. Kiosks today can be wireless and highly user-friendly as well as functional. For example, the airline Emirates has recently placed smart kiosks in the Dubai International Airport. They call this a contactless journey because clients can check in and drop their bags smoothly and efficiently without waiting in line thanks to these smart kiosks you can see on the screen. Not only that, boarding is done with facial recognition, and the airline also allows customers to plan their flight experience ahead by creating customizable entertainment playlists and checking flight menus on Emirates' mobile app. Now, this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.